Okay, here we are for the unboxing of our ADATEC turbochargers. Now this pair of turbochargers is for a 2013 Audi A8L with the 4.0 liter TFSI engine. Now these turbochargers were very reasonably priced, and the order date was actually placed on the 16th of October. We noticed based on the shipping information that the items were actually shipped on the 20th of October and have arrived here in Richmond, Virginia on the 25th. So that means that it was only 5 days from when it was shipped there from the People's Republic of China till it arrived here at our doorstep. And by the way, the delivery was on Sunday afternoon, and this is of course DHL. Now obviously this package has come from a long way, and it is very heavy, and we can see that they certainly packed it very, very carefully. And here we see our two turbocharger assemblies, very nicely wrapped up, very carefully packaged. So okay, here we see the left and right driver's and passenger side turbochargers assembly with their exhaust manifolds. Now one thing that's interesting about this manifold is this is actually a twin scroll, or I should say dual nozzle turbine housing. So it has two separate sections. And here on the right side, you'll notice that the cylinder 2 and cylinder number 4 are connected to one of the nozzles, and cylinder 1 and 3 is connected to the other. And as we go over to the left side, the driver's side, here what's happening is cylinders 5 and 6 are connected to one nozzle, and cylinders 7 and 8 are connected to the other. Now, as we look at this very carefully, there is what looks like some blasting media that's in the manifolds, but as I look at the welds, they look very, very fresh. And as I look at the surface, there it looks freshly machined. Now, whether this is brand new or remanufactured, it's just a little hard to determine. Now, we're actually going to take this apart, so we'll actually inspect both the compressor and the turbine wheel. And as we look, the bearings feel real nice, and certainly there's absolutely no play. And we'll take a look at the way this is machined and compare the compressor wheel of this new turbocharger and the turbine wheel with the old.